Hey there guys, Lukio6 here, and today what I got here is another trash-picked fan. So this is a 3733 box fan. And this is the third vintage 3733 that I got. But anyways, dust aside, this thing has rust on the frame. It originally had a arrow speed knob, but I switched out for a modern one until I can find a 3733 from the late 2000s that I can part out for parts for this. Here's the back. This utilizes a first-gen PSC motor. As you can see, this is nasty, but it can be cleaned easily. And it has the wider bars than the skinnier bars. And the year on this one is from 2001. Yeah, you can see the old one right there. Yeah, so this fan's from 2001. And it even has a little stamp on it. I'm not sure what that means. But it works. And it's got a missing part. And it's got one small missing piece off of one of its blades, but it can be fixed real easily. So yeah, this thing is gonna get cleaned and restored. So yeah, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.